Last year I won a car. Sorry, I won a Jeep. Yes. At that time I know say not everybody go make am. When I won the car, I thought God have changed my story. I don't know if I change God's story. People dey congratulate me. Congrats. I can't begin see. I say, what did they say? They say na V8. Wetin be V8? They say no way you go soon know. The governor of Abia State invited me, say thank you for making Abia State proud. Say which car you win? I say it's a Jeep. He say wow. He said, which Jeep? I said, it's a GS 470. Governor said, do you know that's a V8? I said, no. Governor come ask me one question, say, do you know the government officials use V4? I can't say, so what was a V8? The governor say, don't worry, you will soon know. You know, when I won that car, fuel was 180. And people are telling me it's a V8. I just want to tell you all that I know what a V8 is now.